المريض صالح سلام فهد من العراق محافظة البصرة عنده مشكلة بجهاز.
We came to Dr. Sunil Chaudhary and we sit with the doctor and discuss with that case.
He underwent a major surgery initially for his control of the bleeding, but eventually he went to a neighboring country, Iran, for his first reconstruction, where they did some flap surgery to rebuild part of the skin. If we really want to understand the nose, it's a complex structure, and not only the structure of the nose is important, it is the function of the nose which is extremely important as well. So, if any of the valves of the nose, the external or the internal valve, are collapsed, you will not be able to breathe through that side.
مشكلة بالتنفس، كنت أتنفس بس من حلقي، جاباني إلى الدكتور سمن شودري هنا أجاويد وشرح لي الوضعية على العملية وهاي وطاني نسبة تقريبا 80%. أنا الحمد لله والشكر هسه سويت العملية، جريت العملية صار لي 10 أيام.
We decided to basically reconstruct his internal valve by actually pulling his internal valve out and hitching it to the bone. We decided to reconstruct his external valve by taking a cartilage from his ear and reconstructing the roof of the nostril. This will keep the nostril open at all times. And also the previous reconstruction that he had, we refined it by creating the crease, which is the nostril crease around the side of the nose.
هسه التنفس طبيعي والحمد لله والشكر والعملية ناجحة، وهنا ما قصروا المترجم والمستشفى.